Does he have a name?
He's like kind of the Rocco
Socks.
now, or
He's got the
Sock.
socks.
I don't know.
Socks,
He's got that little
Rocco.
heart on his chest.
He's very sweet.
Shaka's first day in the mountains.
Say hi.
Good morning, Colorado. We have a new puppy up here.
Shaka, how was your first bath? Did Mommy do a good job? Arf, arf.
After you bath, you're going to have to get lots of love from Mommy. Because it was very traumatic. So now we have lots of loving.
Come on. What you good boy? Come on. Let's go get him. Come on. Come.
What happened? Okay, good. You're sitting already. Let's say hi to Daddy. Say, speak. Say hi, Daddy. Speak. Yes, speak.
Yes. Yes.
He definitely gets
And then you chase the deer around the back of the house. And then you went on a 5.5, 8, 7 miles, 6 miles
5.68.
5.68 mile run up the hills. And then you wanted to go again with Mommy, didn't you?